Hello everyone, Master here. Got a little Matco haul for you today. And it's the 5-piece quarter drive ADV set. So it comes with 3 extensions, an adapter, quarter to 3/8 drive adapter, and a quarter drive universal. And I had some cheaper ones I got on Amazon, and they're just not holding up the way I want them to. And I lost a couple of them, so I figured I'd get a good name brand set here. I know a lot of you are going to say, oh, Sun X, you can get this from Sun X. Sure, you probably can, but I don't think it's the same as the Sun X. I don't know how the warranty works with Sun X, but my Matco dealer comes to the shop once a week, so he helps me out with that stuff. So anyway, it's an SAX5V. Ultimate in strength and durability, high performance alloy steel with advanced heat treating process, precision quench and temper, easy identification and accessibility. That's one thing I like about the ADV. High visibility laser markings. Set includes a 2-inch, a 4-inch, and a 6-inch extension, ADV universal impact adapter, and a 3/8 adapter. See if it says anything. Same thing here. Made in Taiwan to Matco specifications. So let's get this thing open, see what kind of case it comes in here. So this here set comes in your typical ADV maroon blow molded case. Pretty nice. Open it up, it's got the main part number of the kit, SAX5V. It comes with all your things and the 6-inch extension. These do feel really nice. Ball detent, which I like. I don't like the hog ring style extensions like my 3/8 drive snap-ons. They have the hog ring on there, and they don't hold worth crap. Sockets always fall off. The 4-inch is pretty nice. No stampings on these. That's kind of a bummer, but we'll see how these hold up. I guess I don't really need stampings on an extension, if you think about it. Kind of just eyeball it and know what size it is. And then the 2-inch, not bad. Brand new, never been used. Here's the adapter, quarter female to 3/8 male, ADV. Anyway, they all say ADV, so I guess this is an ADV kit, accessory kit. And then you have the nice quarter drive. It isn't pinless, it's pinned, but it's got a pretty long anvil on there. ADV AUP 2AV. That's your quarter drive. Pinned universal with the collar. I have one similar to this that's a snap-on, but it doesn't have a collar on it, so it's a little bit more space saving, as you could say, and this end isn't as long, but I'm curious how this one will work. It feels pretty smooth. I like that. But anyway, I grabbed a couple other quarter drive extensions to kind of compare, because everyone thinks that ADV is the exact same as Sun X, and I'd have to disagree on that with all of it. It might be made in the same factory, but it's not made to the same specification. A lot of people don't understand that. The ADV stuff, their sockets are a lot thicker, in my opinion. If you put them next to a Gray Pneumatic or a Sun X, the walls are way thicker on the ADVs. So you're not just paying for the name, you're paying for a little bit better quality and durability and the service. So I have a couple extensions here, and I got on Amazon a while back. I've been using every day at work. This is in a Sun X, a 4-inch Sun X chromoly Taiwan. Good extension, quarter drive. Compared to the ADV, they're not the same. They might be the same length and everything, but I don't think they're made the exact same. The Sun X kind of has that inset there, and the ADV one is definitely thicker. It doesn't look that much thicker, but when you grab it and feel it, it feels a lot heavier than the Sun X. And I'm not just making this up. I don't have no calipers with me or anything. I'm not doing that, but I'm just saying they're different. I'm not saying the Sun X is junk and it's not going to work. I'm just saying that you do, technically you get what you pay for. You know, I don't think that Matco's ripping people off. People are saying it's Matco's an Amazon tool truck. That's all it is. So I will say that a lot of the Matco stuff on the Matco truck, yes, it's rebranded, and yes, you can get it on Amazon for probably half the price. But these brands, you know, their ADV line, they're not just Sun X sockets restamped ADV. They're not. And the people that say they are don't own any, and they've never actually compared the two side by side. And if you look at the pricing too on the Sun X sockets online, they're not the cheapest. And that's because they're good quality. They're coming out of a good manufacturing facility. And but the ADV, you know, you step up a little bit in price because you're getting the service and you're getting a little bit thicker material. These other extensions I have here are the Genius. I bought this in a kit. Came with 1/2 inch, 3/8 and quarter drive for pretty cheap on Amazon. And I lost the 4-inch one. That's why I have the Sun X here. I don't think they're chromoly steel. I think I remember on the box saying CRV, chrome vanadium, and then they have a coating. But and they seem to be holding up okay. But you can definitely tell that the chromoly ones are a lot stronger, in my opinion. But for quarter drive, I mean, how much torque you're really putting on these things. But as you can see how it's kind of wallering there on those ends. That's what you're going to see with the cheaper kind of off brands on Amazon. You know, Genis. There's some other cheaper ones on there. I forget the names because I don't buy any of that stuff. Duratec, maybe. I don't know. Duratec seems to be okay. But anyway, I just wanted a good brand, good set that had a good warranty. Just some extra stuff because I really like using my quarter drive stuff. I use it all the time. So anyways, guys, hope you like this little one. And please like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a good one. Thanks for watching.